Welcome back to the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel, and we're gonna get this old 80s CRX around the corner here. My neighbor's vehicle. Her husband had a stroke. He's been in the hospital for a while. This was his old car. It's in super great shape. It's been kept under a tarp forever. But we went over there last time and found a blown fuse. We were gonna get it running for her because she's concerned about it sitting around for so long. Then we put the battery from my wife's car in it to see if we could get it started, and it turned out it had an alarm system. So we're gonna see if we can bypass that today or get past that and get this car started for this lady. And special thanks to the channel members today. They're sponsoring this video. Obviously the husband's had a stroke. He's been in the hospital, and they're going through some hard times, and they're probably gonna have to sell some of their cars. So not to be crude in any way about this, but if you're interested in this car, I know they're going to sell it, so send me an email. My email's in the bottom of the description. I want to be fair to everybody who possibly wants to look at this car, so I'll get everybody who sends me an email with over the next week or so. Again, my email's in the description. I'll reply to their emails and get them the information on this vehicle. But that's not the point of this video. The point is her other vehicle that she has on her tarp. They may have to sell that one as well, as far as I'm aware, but the battery keeps dying on it because they don't drive it very often. And so we're going to put a battery disconnect switch on for her. And the channel members are sponsoring this video because they can't afford, even this $20 part to put on their vehicle. So the channel members, they sign up to support the channel on a monthly basis. And when we do things like this, fixing it forward, as Eric the car guy likes to call it, that's sponsored by the channel members. Who put money forward in this channel to help projects like this. So special thanks to all the channel members. And we're going to get over here, put a disconnect on her other car, and see if we can get that CRX running for her. And again, that'll be a cool video. We replaced a fuse that we found, a main fuse that was blown last time, and then we ran into that security system. So we robbed the battery out of my wife's CRV, and we're going to go put it in the CRX and see if we can get it to start up this morning. So here we go. It's a different size. I'm gonna grab a wrench.
This is good to invent like this, huh?
Yes, yeah, it's very cool.
That's the first time I see like that.
Yeah.
Totally dead.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that disconnects it.
Okay. Thank you very much for your help. Channel members, thank you.
Yeah. All right, hopefully I reset the alarm there. I found the button and it beeped when I opened the door, then when I tried to start it again, and this time I hit the button and it stopped. Could be coincidence because it was at the same time as it would normally turn off, but what is this? Can't turn this thing off. Oh, that's 𝐒𝐸𝐵. Oh, there we go. So we'll see if this did it. Come on, baby. Oh yeah, there we go. There she is. That was the anticipated moment. So it's running. Okay, and it's running fine too. It doesn't have any vacuum leaks. It's not surging. The gas smells a little old, I believe, but it could just be really rich from that startup. I'm gonna let this warm up. Yeah, it smells rich, not old. I'm gonna let this warm up, and yeah, I'm surprised that worked. Thanks to everybody in the comments who knew about this old security system in here. Could have been a lot more of a pain than it was, but I just hit that button when the horn was going off on like the third cycle, and after I kind of put the key in, on and off, I tried a few different things, but at one point basically all I did was hit the button. I don't know the circumstances it turned off under, but it stopped honking, and it started up. So it's going to do this again with a new battery, but yeah, they're not going to put a new battery in it right now. So yeah, it's in super good condition. I mean, I think they said there was maybe like a few random little plastic pieces that they had replacements for, but I don't even see anything that's broken. So I mean, like, I wish I could buy this thing. This is a sweet little car. So yeah, here it is. I mean, look at the seats, there's no tears. It's been under a tarp forever. I mean, they've always kept it under a tarp. So again, shoot me an email if you're interested in it, and I'll let you know when they're getting ready to sell it, the information on it. So well, there it is, the anticipated finale. That's a job well done. I'm Ernest. Thanks for watching the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. Special thanks to the channel members, and we'll see you on the next episode. Okay, have a good day.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.